So finally the day is arrived. After 6.5 years, I'll be selling my mid 2014 MacBook Pro. But now it's time to upgrade. And I've already bought M1 MacBook 2020 with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. So it's time to sell this guy and get some cash out. But before that, I'll make sure to back up everything from here and reformat it completely. There are two ways to back up your Mac. The Apple preferred way is the Time Machine, and my preferred way is the external hard disk. Time Machine will back up everything as and transfer it to your new Mac. But I want a fresh start on my new M1 MacBook Pro. So I will back up everything on an external hard drive. And I will re-download the apps because now M1 MacBook has different compatible apps. So in this case, if you're using M1 Mac, you don't want Time Machine to install incompatible apps on your Mac. For next step, you want to make sure to sign out from iCloud and other main apps. For example, from iMessages, Google Chrome Gmail accounts, and AppStore. Search and open the iMessages from Spotlight and open the message preferences. Make sure you are under iMessages tab. Over here, you can see your mobile number and email address. Just click on Sign Out and confirm Sign Out again. Next, we will sign out from iClouds. Open System Preferences. On top right side, you can see the Apple ID. Click on it. And from the left menu, click on Overview. Over here, click on Sign Out from iClouds. You'll see a pop-up that do you want to keep a copy of your iCloud data on this Mac before sign out? Make sure you uncheck all the options. Otherwise, copy of your keychain, which has all of your login info, contacts and calendar will be kept, so we don't want to do that. Click on Continue. Your Mac will prompt you to key in your iCloud email password for authentication. Once you key in the password, click on Continue. That's all. Now you are signed out from iCloud without keeping any copy of your data on Mac. Next, quickly open AppStore and make sure you are signed out from here as well. The last important section is to sign out from your Gmail accounts, depending on whichever browser you're using. On top right, click on your profile, scroll down and click on Sign Out of all accounts. As mentioned, even though everything will wipe out, but it's always good to be on the safe side. Now it's time to format your Mac. This step is gonna erase everything, so make sure you have backed up and signed out from all of your accounts. In order to wipe out everything, we need to restart the Mac. From the top left corner, click on Apple logo and select Restart. The moment you press Restart, right after or before, from the keyboard press and hold Command R while it's restarting. So this restart process might be slightly longer than usual. As soon as you see the Apple logo and loading screen, you can let go the keyboard buttons. You will see the macOS recovery screen will appear. Select your profile and click on Continue. It will prompt you to key in the Mac password for last time. Key in your Mac password and continue. This is where we will erase our internal hard drive and install a fresh copy of macOS. Select the last option which says Disk Utility and continue. This option will completely erase everything on this Mac and you will not gonna be able to get it back. If you have done a proper backup, don't need to worry, you're good to go. From here, make sure to select internal drive. Select Untitled. Yours might be your name or something else, so choose that and click on Erase option here right on top, and it's gonna give us the option to rename it. Since I'm selling it, I'm gonna name it macOS. You can rename it with any name. Under Format, make sure the APFS is selected if it's different in your case. Now click on Erase, which is gonna format the hard drive and all the information will be gone. This process will take less than a minute. Once it's completed, you will see a green check mark. Press Done and close the disk utility. Now we are back to the previous page, here with completely fresh drive, but no data and OS on it. So now it's time to reinstall the macOS on a fresh hard drive. Choose the option which says reinstall macOS BigSur. Yours might be just reinstall macOS. It doesn't matter, select the option and press continue. Click on continue again, click on agree, select the drive macOS which we just formatted and click continue. The macOS installation process is started. This will take around an hour or less. Once the installation is completed, your Mac will be as brand new and ready for setup, where you can see your welcome screen. Since I'm gonna sell it, so I'm not gonna set this up. I will let the new owner to choose his or her preferred settings. But before that, let's just quickly shut down the Mac. To do so, press and hold the Command and Q. You will see the shutdown option. Just press shutdown. That's all for now. I hope you guys find this video informative. If so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Talk to you next one.